PC Storeroom Bubble Dome. It is the latest product of PC board, which can bring huge profits and convenience to construction companies. PC Solid Endurance Board. Bulletproof glasses, processed from a high-performance plastic polycarbonate. It has the advantages of high transparency, lightweight, high impact resistance, flame retardant, sound insulation, heat insulation, etc. The latest PC product is the storeroom. The whole room is assembled in a few hours with a highly transparent PC board. Green and environmentally friendly. Plastic materials have advantages that other building materials cannot achieve. The light transmittance of PC solid sheet can reach 89% and 80% higher than ordinary glass. PC and UV co-extruded board have anti-ultraviolet effect and will not turn yellow when exposed to the sun, and will not affect the light transmittance. The weight ratio of PC board is about half that of glass, which is very convenient for transportation. The impact strength is 200 to 300 times that of ordinary glass, and 30 times that of acrylic board with the same thickness. The ignition point of the PC board used for the flame resistance of bulletproof glass is 580 degrees Celsius, and it will not produce unpleasant and toxic gases when it is self-extinguishing from the fire, and it is a first-class, fireproof material. The weather-resistant PC board can maintain the stability of various nozzing indicators in the range of -40 to 120 degrees Celsius. After 4,000 hours of artificial weathering testing, the degree of yellowing is 2, and the decrease in light transmittance is only 0.6%. We are Jobbetter Machinery, a professional manufacturer of PC sheet extrusion machines for more than 20 years. Our extrusion machines has been sold all over the world and has won unanimous praise from customers. Contact us now to get free professional advice from us.